next. Yeah, I upload almost every single day, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do mostly affordable synthetic wig related content here, a lot of wig coaching type videos, and so that's what one of these videos is a Wigs 101 video. In this video, we're going to be talking about synthetic versus human hair wigs, some reasons why you may choose one or the other. So let's just get started with that. So in terms of synthetic wig fibers, they are actual fibers. They're not human hair. Okay, so they can sort of vary in terms of what that fiber is made up of, the textures, things like that. One of the positive things about that is they are going to just hold their shape. So if it's a curly wig, it's just going to be a curly wig no matter if it rains or if it doesn't rain. And you also don't have to worry about too much any type of sun damage. It's not going to like necessarily change any colors in the sun when you expose it to the sun. Additionally, synthetic hair is usually less expensive than human hair, mostly because it's produced hair. It's a mass-produced situation. It can vary, like I said, with texture, but it can vary in density, length, those sort of things. Primarily, for the most part, it does not last as long as human hair. You can use heat on synthetic wigs. However, you do need to really look at the guidelines in terms of what amount and level and heat that you can use on a synthetic wig. Please keep in mind that it is fiber, so I would really think strategically about what type of heat you are going to be putting on that, and just know that once you use heat on it once or twice, you really can't continue to do that. Reasons you may choose synthetic hair is that if you don't want to spend too much, you want something that looks nice, but you're not trying to spend a lot of money, synthetic hair might be a good option for you. If you don't want to go through the hassle of like styling a wig, synthetic hair is great because whatever style you choose, that's the style that it is. The other reason why synthetic might be good is if you're only planning to use it short term, or if maybe you want like a variety. You can get several synthetic wigs for the same price as you would get, a nice quality human hair wig. So those are some reasons why you may choose synthetic hair. Let's move on to human. Overall, human hair does look more natural because it is actual hair. Keep in mind though, it's not always human hair 100%. It could be a hair blend like horse hair or yak hair. The hair can come from different regions of the world, but it is natural, real hair of some type. It's going to give you various styling options because it's just like your regular hair. You can curl it, straighten it. You can really customize it as far as like color. You can take it to your hairdresser and get it colored the way that you want. So you do have a lot of options when it comes to that with regard to human hair. With human hair, it is generally more expensive than synthetic wigs. It does depend on the length. It also depends on the region by which you are getting the hair from. Lighter hair or like naturally like sort of blonde haired human hair wigs tend to be much more expensive. And as the quality increases in human hair, so does the price. Human hair might be an option for you if you are looking for more of a natural look that mimics your real natural hair. Maybe that you want to be able to wear one wig, but you want to be able to style it different ways. And also human hair is an option if you would like to keep that wig for longer than a year. So that's what I have for you on sort of synthetic versus human hair in terms of needs and choice. If there are any other additional tidbits or tricks or tips or information you would like to put about either, go ahead and put that down below and we can share as a community. If there's any other type of Wigs 101 video that you would like me to create, go ahead and put that down below. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!